Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. So y'all, in this video, we about to talk about storing food, putting food up for emergencies and all that type of stuff. So I decided to do something different with my pantry. I'm gonna be pulling from my pantry, whether it's for my working pantry or just extended, and I feel like this will be an easy way for you to just stock food instead of dividing it up and all that type of stuff. So I'm gonna show you what is in my pantry. So I do not have no food in my kitchen. I come back here each day and pull food from back here, and that way I can just see and know what I have all together, instead of just like putting something just back for this and put something. It keeps it, where you can see it all at once, you know what I'm saying? So now I'm about to go through and show y'all. Now this is before I pull, because I already told y'all I'm doing gluten and dairy free. So this is just showing before I start adding a lot of gluten free, dairy free stuff in here. This is just showing what I have so far, okay? So I hope this helps somebody out, and especially if you're gonna try to just do it, just have one area where it's just food, shelf stable food, and then just pour from there. So we're gonna start over here on this side. So what I have is just some dressings, condiments, pretty much, different things. So have some salad dressing, some Worcestershire sauce, some bread machine yeast for my bread machine. I have found these on clearance some weeks ago. These are the Bragg's organic dressing and marinade with apple cider vinegar. Got different one of those. Found these on clearance. These are some more dressing and marinades, just different types. So I have those. It's supposed to be right here. I got 2 things of the Jiffy mix. Not Jiffy mix, the Jif to go peanut butter. What am I talking about? I'm hungry, y'all. It's dinner time, so I'm hungry. It's been a busy day. I got some more of this butter and peanut butter spread, some apple cider vinegar, and this way I'm able to look and see what I need all together, okay? Got some black pepper, some bacon bits, some seasoning stuff, some barbecue sauce, some vanilla flavoring, got some almonds, got quite a bit of those. Got some rice milk, which I need to stock up on rice milk because I'm not doing dairy. This fat free, I will use this because I can cook with it, and the more you cook something, the more it lessens. So this is you can add water to this and have it with your cereals or whatever, but it's good for cooking. So I do that because I have it. Now this right here is coconut milk. Now this is dairy free, gluten free. So this will be what I'll be buying from here on out to take the place for cooking. Sometimes, because everything you don't want with that coconut taste. This right here is my gluten-free oats. See, I still have stuff from when I was doing strictly gluten-free. This is my gluten-free oats. Right here, got some dry milk, non-fat dry milk. Again, that'll be good for go ahead and cooking or whatnot. But I'm probably going to take this out. This powder milk, I got 2 of them, and donate it or whatnot. Because, yeah. Got some sugar, some cream of rice. I want to try that cream of rice. It's gluten-free. If y'all done had cream of rice, let me know how that tastes. I didn't like the cream of wheat, but let me know. But I got it because of the vitamin D, calcium, and iron. Got a cake mix. Oh, that cake looks so good. One of these Nor pastas. We have one of them left. Still have some bread flour. I've been using it, as you can see, because I had more than that. There, this is just like some sauces or whatnot, came out of packs, and some ranch, okay? Down here is, I still have my emergency kit, food supply thingy majiggas. So I got 2 of those back there. I got some chips, and then just some odd little things. This is not all of my emergency supply. I got some tote beans. I'll share that with y'all. But this is just some stuff, random stuff, triple antibiotic. Got some garbage bags, aluminum foils and Ziploc bags. I got Jello off in here. Got disposable masks. I got to get this stuff together, get it with my emergency prep stuff so I can have those supplies by themselves. But just got some random type stuff. Love this apple cider, hot apple cider. Cranberry sauce, got to keep that on hand. Not cranberry sauce, cranberry juice. I told y'all I'm hungry. Got some Jello and pudding, the instant kind. And down here is what I was telling y'all for anybody that's new. These are my bug out bags. It has emergency food and water in them. Like the kit water, the bag water. And it has the bars and all that type of stuff. So we do have emergency food on hand for our bug out bags. But that's what they are. Then up here, I have old-fashioned oats, 2 things of that. Got a lot of this pasta. Y'all will be seeing me do make this stuff, add it to some meals. You see, I got white rice. I'm short, so I'm holding it up, so I'm looking at the camera like, yeah. Got pastas, and you see, I still have some of my stuff from when, like I said, when I was doing fully gluten-free. This stuff I've been had for a while, okay? So, yeah, I told you I was strictly that, so I'm going back to that because that was best for me. Got fruit, canned fruit, a lot of canned fruit. That one like it's going to fall. Still, but I still need to get more, a whole lot more, because I want all this full of food, okay? Just showing y'all what I got so far. Got some cranberry sauce. Got some olives. I stay stocked up with these canned peanuts. Got a few cans of Viennas. And these Viennas, I don't think that they are gluten-free. Oh, they are! So, Viennas, I can eat Viennas. And that, let me see, do it have iron? Iron, 6% of iron. So yes, I will be stocking up on Vienna's, this particular brand. I didn't know that. So yes, that's a good source of iron, and it's gluten free. I got sardines. They don't always digest with me. I'm trying to see if they say they gluten free, because like I say, y'all, a lot of this stuff, it ain't been extremely long since I did gluten free, so a lot of this probably is still gluten free. I know this is dairy and gluten. And then I got a lot of beans stocked up, or whatnot. I remember I got that on clearance. That's some pork jaw with some black eyed peas. I'll probably open that up tomorrow. Got a lot of vegetables. Yeah. Got some turnip greens, some sweet peas, some green beans, some carrots, corn. Yeah. Down here, got some sardines and some chicken soup and a lot of green beans right there. And then down here, I have some canned tomatoes. And these are some of my spray bottles that I have that was clearanced out. And I stocked up on those. And then over here, I got a jug of water. This is one of our refill jugs. We need to refill. But I have one case of water that's been open. That's mainly for like cooking or whatnot, because we have the water dispenser that we use to drink water. And then I have 6 cases of water that is currently in my stock. And these are 40 count cases, okay? And put this is one of my slow cooker things. I will be needing that. So yeah, so that's what I have so far. Definitely now I can come in here and say, okay, yeah, I need a lot of soup. I need a lot more vegetables. I need a lot of soup. I need a lot of more fruit. I need more pasta. But now that I'm doing my gluten and dairy free, I know to look for things. When I do this, since it's going to be my permanent lifestyle, no gluten, no dairy, I have to read the back of everything. Matter of fact, let me see this right here. There's no iron, but are you gluten free? Let's see. If they even said, I may have to look it up too. Because it just works for me, y'all. I don't see nothing to say gluten free. But I feel like it should be. Okay. But yeah, I'll look it up. I have my little app thing that I used to use that will help me. if it don't say it on there that it's gluten free. Alright y'all, so now I am in my kitchen because I want to show you the things that I have open. I do not put nothing back there that is already open. I will show y'all, especially y'all that is new to the channel, I'm going to show y'all what I do to keep things closed, sealed, and I still can be vigilant and see to see what I have on hand. Y'all, so right here I use mason jars for almost everything. I love it. Okay, so I've redone things since y'all seen it. Y'all haven't gotten a vlog recently of me showing you how much I've redone things, but I have my King Arthur gluten-free flour right here. I got some all-purpose flour, more King Arthur flour. Like I said, I still have a lot of my stuff, things that I still use that was, so it ain't like it's a big shot, because like I say, I ain't went completely away from it, but now I'm back on track with it. I put just some sweet tarts right here because ain't that cute? I like to put everything in mason jars. Got some raisins because that's a girl's best friend with that low iron. Got some cornmeal back there, my sugars, my rice, my pastas, got some peppermint right here, and a mason jar. This, we got to try this on some fruit, so I just put that right there. Some more cream of wheat was left over. I put my Kool-Aid because, sometimes it'll waste out and it smell very fruity and stuff, and I like to keep things all clean and, to keep away ants and stuff like that. So yeah, so I put everything in the jars. More pasta, breadcrumbs, sunflower seeds, marshmallows, mashed potatoes, which I'm low in, sugar I'm low in, pinto beans, popcorn. Actually, y'all can see popcorn, more pinto beans back there. This is my baking powder I put in containers. I got my olive oil back here. I got some honey back here, if y'all can see. Oatmeal. This is my canning salt, pumpkin seeds, everything I put in jars. And y'all know I'm OCD, so I go by how things look. I need things to be all neat, and I can look and see what what's going on. Then down here is all my clean. They have been cleaned and put so I can just grab whenever I need to fill them up with stuff. These are my peanuts that I cook and freeze. Then I got like my sweet potatoes and stuff, things that I get from the grocery store, like produce I put there. And then I just have kitchen stuff organized nicely in those bins, okay? So yeah, that just helps me out a lot. Even over here on this side, is what I did with all my appliances, because y'all know I downsized on a lot of stuff, a lot of appliances stuff. I downsized to make it a lot simpler. So this is where I have my stuff now, because it's easy for me to go to and grab and go. Okay, I gotta organize the top of my deep freezer. This stuff is not gonna stay here because I still gotta do more stuff over here. I'm actually thinking about getting some S hooks to hang my pans on. I'm actually thinking about doing that. But yeah, so this is what it's looking like so far. And that's why I was saying we have a water dispenser, so we drink water from here and try to stock up on cases of water, okay? And that way we don't have to touch it unless, I like to cook with bottled water and stuff instead of using tap water here. So yeah. Alright y'all, so that's going to be the end of this video. I hope it helped y'all out and gave y'all some ideas and everything. I'm hungry, so I can't even hold to talk. I'm hungry. So it's time to eat. So I'm going to go ahead, get some food in me and all that good stuff. So I hope it helped you. If you got any ideas, please list them in the comment section of this video. And I will see y'all in the next video. If it's God's will, y'all please be safe, okay? Mwah. Bye.